Фильм арқылы ағылшын үйренейік.
It's been 23 days since Thanos came to Earth.
World governments are in pieces. The parts that are still working are trying to take a census, and it looks like he did exactly what he said he was going to do. Thanos wiped out 50% of all living creatures.
Where is he now? Where?
We don't know. He just opened a portal and walked through.
What's wrong with him?
He's pissed.
He's pissed. Ашулы. Өте пайдалы сөз.
He thinks he failed. Which of course he did, but you know, there's a lot of that going around, ain't there?
Honestly, into this
Which of course he did. Тор ана балтаны лақтырғанда басқа тиюдің орнына көкірегіне тиді ғой, бірақ өлтірмей қалды сол үшін.
exact second I thought you were Build-A-Bear.
Maybe I am. We've been hunting Thanos for 3 weeks now. Deep space scans and satellites, and we got nothing. Tony, you fought him.
Who told you that? You didn't fight him. No, he wiped my face with a planet while the Bleecker Street magician gave away the store. That's what happened. There was no fight because he's not people.
Did he give you any clues? Any coordinates, anything?
I saw this coming a few years back. I had a vision. I didn't want to believe it. I thought I was dreaming.
Tony, I'm gonna need you to focus.
And I needed you. As in past tense. That trumps what you need. It's too late, buddy. Sorry. You know what I need? I need a shave. And I believe I remember telling Tony, alive and otherwise, that what we needed was a suit of armor around the world. Remember that? Whether it impacted our precious freedoms or not. That's what we needed.
Well, that didn't work out, did it?
I said we'd lose. You said, we'll do that together too. And guess what, Cap? We lost. And you weren't there. But that's what we do, right? Our best work after the fact. What are the Avengers? We're the Avengers, not the pre-Vengers.
Okay.
Right?
Бұл жерде wordplay. Avengers. Кек алушылар. We're not pre-Vengers. Біз алдын ала заттардың алдын алмаймыз дегенде.
Made your point. Just sit down, okay?
No, here's my point. You know
Tony,
what?
just
She's great.
sit down.
We need you.
Sit
Your
down.
new blood. I got nothing for you, Cap. I got no coordinates, no clues, no strategies, no options, zero, zip, nada. No trust. Liar. Here, take this. You find him. You put that on. You hide. Tony, fine. Let me...
Осындай диалогтар ұнаса тіркел.